So we're talking about customer discovery and testing, our business ideas that we have. What's next? What do we do after that? Let's say we've got some validation of problem solution fit. Where do we go from there?
Well, you mean are you saying that after the stage where you've actually validated the end user response and they want it?
Yep.
Well, then you get into an easy phase of kind of a make buy, processing scale. Can you make it? How do you deliver it? Those are kind of the mechanical ends of it. But if you've really gotten over that edge where you've shown that customers like it, you do the mechanical things, and then you have to spend a lot of time asking yourself, who is this going to hurt, right? Not who's going to help. Who is it going to hurt? Who's going to want to kill this idea? Is it a competitor? Is it who knows who it is, but someone is going to get their nose out of joint if you launch this product, and you need to be very aware of who will be upset by it.
And sometimes those people could be internal to your organization. Like if you talk about digital health and redeploying resources, meaning you'll have less clinical staff or whatever it's going to be, the inclination there is perhaps not consciously, but it's like you're not going to get the same enthusiasm as you would like. And that's what we always talk about in terms of innovation. And the hardest process we actually found is not finding the customer. It's actually the implementation process where you're actually working with the entire ecosystem of the company or the organization to make sure they all buy into what you're doing and actually use the product. Because there's so many, because you get the C-suite into it, you get the senior VPs, you get the VPs, it's down to, okay, the trench warfare side, those are actually going to be dealing, or in terms of health, working with the patients. Are they going to use it, and they're going to help encourage the patients to use it, or whatever the solution is? But you need everyone to buy into it, and an implementation process, to Brent's point, we've talked about this in previous discussions, that it can't take them any more time to use, it's got to take them less time to use. And it's like all those processes, because if it take more time, you're going to get, again, I don't have time for this. So it actually gets rather complex at that stage, but you have to have that fully worked through beforehand. Throw the playbook out once you get into the real world working with them, but at least you're prepared for that entire process.